Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the heating issues on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now the first step to fix the overheating issue on your smartphone is to delete any suspicious app which might be causing the overheating problems on your smartphone. Just like that. Now once you have done that, now the second step is to close any unnecessary connections on your smartphone. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. Now from here, just disable any unnecessary connections on your smartphone. For example, if you are using the Wi-Fi on your smartphone, just disable the mobile data. And if you are not using the Bluetooth, just disable the Bluetooth on your smartphone. And the same goes with the location and the NFC, just like that. Now once you have done that, now the third tip is to do not use your smartphone while it is charging. And also do not charge your phone when your smartphone is already warm. Now the next step is to close any app which is running in the background. Now to do that, just tap on the recent apps button over here. Now from here, just tap on app active. Now from here, just disable any app which is running in the background from here. Now to do that, just tap on stop and tap on done, just like that. Now the last step is to reboot your smartphone. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button on your smartphone. Now from here, just select restart and tap on restart. Now it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to restart and to fix the overheating issue on your smartphone. Now, as you can see, our smartphone has finished rebooting. Now, if this did not fix the overheating issue on your smartphone, then you might have a hardware problem with your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your problem. And this is how you can fix the overheating issue on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.